Hi guys, Andy here again, messing about with the diesel heater in the garage. So if you've got one of these, you'll know how hot the exhaust pipe gets. So we've just been making use of some of that heat. So we've just coiled it up before it goes out the garage wall, and we're heating this bucket of water up. That's all it is, guys. And that is hot. It could actually be quite useful. I say if you're out camping or in your shed or workshop where you've got no hot water, just to wash your hands. But today with this bucket of hot water, I'm going to go and wash the van with it. But I've used these waste exhaust gases in a number of ways. Please have a look at my other videos if you haven't saw them already. I think we're getting like about a kilowatt of heat. It's usable heat coming out that exhaust, and if you see my videos you'll see I've used it in various other ways, and also in my other videos I've got one of these heaters heating my house up. I'll just quickly show you my other heater which I've got heating the house up. There it is in that box. It's pumping hot air into the house. Been on every day all through the winter, and it's saved me a fortune. There it is, pumping hot air into the house, and I've actually got the central heating turned off, guys. There it is, running on kerosene. £1.15 a litre, and I'm probably using 2 or 3 litres a day, and it's heating the whole house up. Okay, so we're inside the house. That's all you've got inside. I've got the little control panel mounted there, and there's just a vent where the hot air's coming in. There's the box outside. So that's all we've got inside the little control panel. You turn it up and down or on and off from there, and that's a lovely bit of hot air coming through there. I only have it on setting 2 or 3. It goes up to number 6, and you never really need it on that much. And it saved me a fortune over the winter with the you know, the high price of gas and electricity. It's been really good. So oh yep, I'm going to go and wash the van, guys, with that free hot water. So if you haven't saw my other videos, please go and take a look, and please give me a like and subscribe to help me on my YouTube journey. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.